How to fix Instagram Reels lag. So if you want to fix the Instagram Reels lagging problem, then first you need to open up your Instagram application. Go for the profile, which is on the bottom right. Go for the upper right, which has that 3 bar. Tap on settings and privacy. And here you need to search for data usage. So here you will have data usage and media quality under your cellular data settings. So if you have turned off the data saver option, then simply turn on the data saver. Once you've turned on, now your problem might be fixed and you won't have the lagging problem. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to remove that and open up your settings. Under your settings, you need to scroll down, go for the application, tap on Instagram, open up your Instagram on your settings, go for storage and cache, go for clear cache. Once you've cleared your cache, now your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to tap and hold on to that Instagram application, go for uninstall and uninstall the application. Once you've uninstalled, you just need to install it again. And once you've installed, you need to log back into your account and try to load your reels and your problem will be fixed. And the last way is to check your internet connection, because if you don't have a stable internet connection, then your Instagram Reels will lag. So check your internet connection and try to reload your page and your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the Instagram Reels lagging problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.